Hello, I'm Thomas Hutzschenreuter, and here at Technical University of Munich I hold the chair for Strategic and International Management. In one of our recent studies, my doctoral candidate, Tim Lämmermann here, and myself, we investigated how managers, how executives can actually formulate an AI-based business strategy. In particular, we developed a comprehensive and practitioner-oriented framework that we call the AI Business Strategy Wheel. Tim, what does the AI Business Strategy Wheel actually do?
Well, it systematically supports firms in strategically adopting and exploiting today's AI technologies. Importantly, our approach explicitly centers around AI's unique self-learning ability that significantly differentiates it from other information systems.
Indeed, an AI business strategy must sufficiently manage the inherent characteristics of self-learning technologies regarding fundamental strategy aspects. This means systematically addressing AI's potential task superiority, its black box perception, and its dynamically changing nature. For doing so, our framework summarizes the 5 most important questions that an effective AI business strategy must answer, including: where do we deploy an AI technology? What value does it add for us to become more competitive? What makes our firm financially successful using it? What do we need to technically apply it? And what enables us to manage its changing nature? Our paper discusses each question in detail and provides many illustrative examples of potential decision alternatives. Further, we underline the outstanding relevance of strategic fit among selected decisions. On top of that, we present 3 fitting strategies from different real-world firms that can inspire your own business. However, we also emphasize the need to consider AI's technological limitations and adverse side effects for its strategic adoption.
For more information, we really encourage you to access our paper. There, we have also added several complementary materials that can be used for various teaching purposes. Thomas, something else?
Well, we continue investigating the strategic management of AI, and we are more than happy to exchange ideas with strategists, executives, researchers, scholars on this very important and timely topic.